Good morning students. Now I am going to study about 10th standard science subject unit 7 atoms and molecules part 4 video. On this video you will be discussing about relative molecular mass. Define relative molecular mass. The relative molecular mass of a molecule is the ratio between the mass of one molecule of the substance to 1/12 mass of an atom of carbon 12 atom. It is also measured in terms of U. U means unified mass. Okay, I give to one example. Relative molecular masses of hydrogen. Hydrogen atoms is present in 2. Okay, is equal to sum of the relative atomic masses of 2 atoms of hydrogen. 2 atoms of hydrogen is equal to 1U plus 1U. 1U means relative atomic masses of hydrogen atoms. So you adding these two values, you will find out the 2U. 2U is a relative molecular masses of hydrogen molecule. Now on this table I have shown B atoms of different elements on this side. Relative atomic masses of atoms. Hydrogen is relative atomic masses of 1U. Carbon for relative atomic masses is 12U. Nitrogen is relative atomic masses of 14U. Oxygen is relative atomic masses of 16U. Chlorine relative atomic masses of 35.5U. Sulfur 32U. Argon 36U. Calcium 40U. Now here carbon dioxide molecules has 1 carbon atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Now we are going to see carbon atom has relative atomic masses is 12U and oxygen atom has relative atomic mass of 16U. Now we are going to weighing the carbon dioxide. We find out the masses of whole of the carbon dioxide molecule is equal to the sum of the masses of these 3 constituent atoms, which is 1 carbon atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Now let us find the quantity of this side, that is sum of the atoms of 3 atoms. The total masses of a carbon atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Since to be 12U plus 16U plus 16U. Now the adding of 3 numbers, the overall total is 44U. This mass is called relative molecular mass. Okay, relative molecular mass of carbon dioxide molecules. Now let us go to the find out the relative molecular masses of other different molecules. And the same way we go to find out the relative molecular masses of H2O. H2O means water is equal to sum of the relative atomic masses of 2 atoms. 2 atoms of hydrogens and 1 atoms of oxygen. Okay. 2 atoms of hydrogen is 1U. 1U is a relative atomic masses of hydrogen atoms. So you write in 2. So you write in 2 values, 1U plus 1U plus 16U is a relative atomic masses of oxygen atoms. You adding these 3 values, you will find out the 18U. 18U is a relative molecular masses of water molecule. Next, the same way you will find out the chlorine molecule. Okay, relative molecular masses of chlorine atoms, which also has 2 atoms of chlorines, each with the relative molecular masses of 35.5U. That is sum of the relative atomic masses of 2 atoms of chlorine is equal to 35.5U plus 35.5U. So you find out the value is 71U. Relative molecular masses of chlorine molecule is 71U. Let us the same thing sum a bigger molecule. This molecule is called a methane molecule, which has 1 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. We go to find the relative molecular masses of these molecules. Okay. Relative molecular masses of methane CH4 is equal to sum of the relative atomic masses of 4 atoms of hydrogens and 1 atoms of carbon. So you write 4 multiply 1U. 1U means relative atomic masses of hydrogen atoms plus 12U. 12U is a relative atomic masses of carbon atoms. So is equal to 4U plus 12U. You will find out the value is 16U. Relative molecular masses of methane molecule is equal to 16U. Now I have to another molecule which is ethane. That is formula for C2H6. Okay, which means it has 2 carbon atoms and along with the 6 hydrogen atoms is equal to sum of the relative atomic masses of 6 atoms of hydrogens and 2 atoms of carbon is equal to 6 into 1U. 1U means relative atomic masses of hydrogen atoms plus 2 into 2 carbon atoms are present here. So you write 2 into 2 multiply 12U. 12U is a relative atomic masses of carbon atoms. So you adding this 3, you multiply these values 6U plus 24U. You adding these values, you will find out 30U. 30U is a relative molecular mass of ethane molecule. Next, when we go to the find the relative molecular of ammonia, that ammonia formula is NH4. We go to find the total relative molecular mass of hydrogen atoms and adding to the total relative atomic masses of nitrogen atoms. Okay, relative atomic masses of ammonia is equal to sum of the relative atomic masses of 3 atoms of hydrogens and 1 atoms of nitrogens is equal to 3. I have put 3 multiply 1U. 1U means relative atomic masses of hydrogen atoms plus 14U. 14U is a relative atomic masses of nitrogen atoms. So is equal to 3U plus 14U. You adding these values, you will find out the 17U. Relative molecular masses of ammonia molecule is equal to 17U. Next, let us see relative molecular masses of methanol. That means methanol formula is CH3OH. How many carbons are present here? 1 carbons, 4 nitrogen, 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogen are present here, only 1 oxygen are present here. Is equal to sum of the relative atomic masses of 4 atoms of hydrogens and 1 atoms of oxygens and 1 atoms of carbons. So I have put in a 4 multiply 1U. 1U is here relative atomic masses of hydrogen atoms plus 16U. 16U is here relative atomic masses of oxygen atoms plus 12U. 12U is here relative atomic masses of carbon atoms. So these values multiply is equal to 4U plus 16U plus 12U. These 3 values is adding, you will find out the 32U. 32U is a relative molecular masses of methanol molecule. Next, let us see relative molecular mass is only a ratio, so it has no unit. If the molecular masses of a compound is expressed in grams, it is called gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass of water 18U. Gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide 44U. That is water formula. Water is formula for H2O. Carbon dioxide formula for CO2. Okay, 44 gram. Gram molecular mass of ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. Okay, is equal to 17 gram. Gram molecular mass of HCl. HCl means hydrochloric acid is equal to 36.5 gram. Next, let us see relative molecular masses of sulfuric acid. That means formula H2SO4. How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogen are present here. Only 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen are present here. Is calculated as follows. Sulfuric acid contains 2 atoms of hydrogens, 1 atoms of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. Therefore, relative molecular masses of sulfuric acid is equal to 2 into mass of hydrogen plus 1 into mass of sulfur plus 4 into mass of oxygen. You write 2 multiply 1. 1 is a relative atomic masses of hydrogen atoms plus 1 into 32. 32 is a relative atomic masses of sulfur atoms plus 4 into 16. 16 is a relative atomic masses of oxygen atoms. You adding these 3 values is equal, you will find out the 98. One molecule of sulfuric acid is 98 times as heavy as 1/12 of the masses of carbon 12 atom. today in this topic is over. Now next topic I will send you later, so you will write the test. After you finishing a test and get the signature from your parents and send it through WhatsApp. If you any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.